Welcome you all. In this session we will going to learn that how to install the LaTeX software. In this you require three files. One is the Sumatra PDF, the second is the Technique Center, that is which is the editor of LaTeX software, and one is the MiKTeX. So we start with the Sumatra PDF. Simply search Sumatra PDF. You can locate here, download. Depending on the version of your operating system, you can download either 64-bit or 32-bit. How to check the version of your system? Click here and check the properties. This is 64-bit operating system, so you have to download this 64-bit Sumatra PDF. And then the next is Technique Center. You simply search this Technique Center, click here. You can find this site, Technique Center, you can download. And finally you can search for MiKTeX 2.9 download. There are two versions of the MiKTeX are available. One is a basic and the second is a full version. It is suggested that you can look for full version of the MiKTeX. It is almost size in 1.2 GB. The basic MiKTeX is available in some MBs, but it is always better that you can install a full version of the MiKTeX so you can enjoy the benefit of all the packages. Now this is I have already done, so I will show you that. This is the Sumatra PDF, this is Technique Center, and this is the full version of the LaTeX software. So Sumatra PDF is already installed. Here the flow of installation of software is very important, because you have to link this MiKTeX with the Technique Center, so that the MiKTeX the order of installation is first you have to install the Sumatra PDF, then go for a MiKTeX, search for a setup file here. Otherwise you can by using this, click anywhere S, you can search for the setup file, or you can type here setup and go to the setup file directly. Double click on this.
ना सती द्रौपदी का अपमान ना कर। सती तुम आज्ञा दो तो मैं इसकी जुबान खींच के दूं। अबे शांत कर्णधारी भीम, शांत। धर्मराज, इसकी जुबान खींच के रुके। शांत कर्णधारी भीम, शांत। अब नाटक मुझे ही संभालना पड़ेगा।
Click here. I accept the MiKTeX copying condition, and then click on the next. There again, even it is a full version, the two options are given for installation. One is a basic MiKTeX and the second is a complete MiKTeX. So obviously this is a full version, so it is suggested that you can go for a complete MiKTeX installation. Click on the next, 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 and start.
ये इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई?
This installation will continue for at least half an hour, depending on the speed and the configuration of your system. Here you can see the overall progress of the installation and the current packages installation through this first bar. I already told you, depending on the speed of your system, it may take up to half an hour. See the progress here. We are almost towards the end of installation of this MiKTeX software. Once it is done, then we are going for very important process of installation of the Technique Center. Once the process is completed, then this window will appear. Click on the next. Click here. Now this is done. We are moving for final step, that is installation of Technique Center. Ensure that if you are installing a 64-bit MiKTeX, you have to install 64-bit editor, that is Technique Center. Double click on this. Click here. You should pay some attention here, because this is the important step where here actually we are linked this Technique editor with MiKTeX. Click on next. Accept. Click next. Next. Here you ensure all the dictionaries to be installed properly. So if you are working in the other languages, you will not face any problem. Click here. Install. It is quickly installed. And whatever the process we are following here, just take a note of this. Pay kind attention, because if you forget it to make the linking between this editor and MiKTeX, then you have to do it manually. So click on next. Here it is important to take a note of this. Yes, configure Technique Center for the use of MiKTeX. Click on next. See that here by default PostScript viewer is taken to the Acrobat, but what it is suggested that to use Sumatra PDF. So click here.
हमको नहीं पता, हमको कुछ नहीं पता.
Look for the install file of Technique Center. Go to the program file and search for, go to the document, go to the desktop. You have to simply locate for the install file. Go to the desktop. Here it is a Sumatra PDF. Open. Next. If you visualize this message, it means your installation is absolutely correct. Finish. Then no next to go for a next step. Click close. Click here. Select LaTeX PDF. Click a new file and simply check whether installation is done properly or not. Document class right here, article, write begin document, end document, and write any message here and execute it. Okay. Save this file. Okay. Wait for the output. On the execution of the first time, it will take some time, but later on, even a bigger files, it is executed in very fast. So don't be panic why the time is taken here. Wait for the output. Now say the PDF is produced here. Clear? If we edit here something, and if we execute, as I already told you that when we are executed first time, then it will take more time, but in subsequent cases, even bigger files you can construct here, it will take very short duration to produce your file. So this is all about the installation. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much for joining.
वो गैम्बो खुश हुआ